Hi, I'm Antoine from Frog's Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to do some smoked salmon on the barbecue. So this is a two-step process. So the first step, we're going to cure the salmon. So that's going to take around 8 to 12 hours. You can leave it for 24, but with a minimum of 4 hours. So do not rush it, do not cure it for 2 hours. I will leave it for 8. And then after the 8 hours, we're gonna put it on the barbecue to smoke it. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start making the cure. So I've got some brown sugar, I've got some salt, I've got some cracked pepper, lots of salmon of course, some foil, and some kitchen towel. I've got a bowl to make the cure, and I've got a dish where we're gonna pour all our cure and our salmon and put it in the fridge. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the cure. So we're gonna take the bowl, and then we need the brown sugar, and also you will need a scale. So you put on the scale, and the ratio, it's 2 brown sugar for 1 salt. We're just gonna pour a pinch of pepper. So today we have 4, 6, 8, we have 10 salmon fillet. So we're gonna pour 500 grams of brown sugar, and then we're gonna pour 250 grams of salt. After the mix is done, you need to rinse your salmon under the tap. So now the salmon is clean, we're gonna have to dry it. So what I like using is paper towel, and then I'm gonna put it on the board. Okay, double layer, and then I'm gonna pour all my salmon on it. Okay, and then it's very important that it's very dry, because with the brine it's gonna suck the moisture. So it's very important that you already remove as much water as possible. Now our fish is ready, so you just need to inspect and make sure there's no fish bone. Take the dish and create a layer of the mix at the bottom. Make sure all the surface is covered, and then lay the salmon fillets on it side by side. Once your first layer is done, make sure that this is covered with a layer of mix. Okay, if you have some salmon left, no problem, you can put it on top. Once the salmon is all covered by the mix, cover the dish with some foil, and we're gonna let it cure for 8 hours in the fridge. Hi everyone, so now it's been 8 hours, so we've just taken our salmon out of the fridge. So let's have a look together. Wow. So you can see, I'll take the foil out. So now you can see that the salmon is cured, and then now this is all liquid. Okay, so next step, we're gonna rinse them out. We're gonna apply a paper towel onto it, and then after we will let them dry for half an hour, and then we'll see ourselves back on the smoker. So first step, let's clean them out. Rinse the fillet under the tap until the mix is completely removed. So now we've got all our salmon clean. Now we're gonna dry it. So I just use paper towel like this morning. Once you're done drying the fillet with the paper towel, leave them on the grid for 30 minutes to an hour so they are completely dry. Now we are all done with the prep. Let's get the fire started. As the temperature of the barbecue needs to be between 90 and 100 degrees Celsius, 184 to 212 Fahrenheit, I will light up maximum a dozen of briquettes. Now the temperature of our barbecue is between 90 and 100 degrees, it is time to put the salmon fillet in. So I'm going to also use the probe in one of the salmon fillet to control the temperature, as we will not cook by time but will cook by temperature. It will be all done when the temperature reaches 63 degrees. Our salmon has been cooking for 1 hour and 45 minutes, and the internal temperature of the fillet is now 63 degrees Celsius, 145 Fahrenheit. It is time to take them out. I had some lemon slices in the freezer, so I will let them defrost for a couple of minutes. Let's check and taste our result. The orange color is so vivid we can clearly see the difference between the Alaskan and the Scottish salmon fillet. The Alaskan is much darker. So, our smoked salmon is now finished. So, we're gonna pick one, how they look. This is an Alaskan fillet. The color is quite dark, but there's a clear contrast between the outside and inside of the fillet. So, now it's all done. We're gonna get to try it. So, I brought some mayonnaise. So this is a really good recipe for canapes. That if you want, you can put some lemon juice on it. This is really smoky. So I cooked it for about 1.5 hours to 1 hour 45, between 90 and 100 degrees on the barbecue. So I tried to keep the temperature very constant. What also you may want to consider. Oh, it's so good. I've got this thermometer, and what you do is you don't cook by time, but you cook by temperature. So you just put one in the salmon, and then after it will give you an alert just to tell you at 63 degrees that this is cooked. You can't get it wrong, but I don't really cook by time, I cook more but to temperature. Okay, so we're gonna try another one. So I got the Philadelphia garlic and herbs. So we're gonna see what it tastes. That goes really well together. So it's the Philadelphia garlic and herbs. You can get the normal Philadelphia or any other cream cheese. So this goes really well if you want to have friends over and you want to have a dinner party, etc., and you want to do some canapes. That goes really well. But tonight we're gonna have it with a salad that goes also very well. So in terms of the quantity, so you can see here, so I've done 10. So I've got the rule of 3. So normally I said 1 salmon fillet per person, and then because this is so good, I always multiply it by 3. So I hope you liked that episode. So if you can, leave a thumbs up, please subscribe to the channel, and also if you have any questions, please ask it on the comments below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.